Hello, grade 2. I welcome you to the class of Social Studies. We are on lesson 3, Independence, and our objectives for today are understand events in early American history, identify important people related to the country's independence. Our vocabulary words for today are freedom and independence. Let's take a quick look at what each of these words mean. The first word is freedom. Freedom is the right of people to make their own choices. Now, children, the people living in the 13th English colonies had to obey the laws made by the England's king. They thought that some of the king's laws were unfair. The people of the colonies wanted the freedom to make their own laws. Therefore, you should bear in mind that freedom is the right of people to make their own choices. Our second vocabulary word for today is independence. Independence is the freedom of people to choose their own government. This was the first step to freedom in America. The leaders of the colonies decided to form their own country. First, they had a meeting. Then the Declaration of Independence was written. The leaders agreed to it on July 4, 1776. The Declaration of Independence said why the colonies should be free. It said that they were now states of a new country, the United States of America. So children, independence is the freedom of people to choose their own government. I'm going to take you through some fast facts, which is the War for Freedom. So what is the War for Freedom of America? The King of England sent soldiers to fight against the people who wanted to be free. This war was called the American Revolution. Many brave people helped the colonies fight to become a free country. The war lasted for 7 years. Can you believe that? Finally, the colonies won. They were no longer ruled by England. The 13 colonies were the first 13 states of free United States of America. Now, the second fast fact, the leaders for freedom. Many people helped win the country's independence. Thomas Jefferson helped write the Declaration of Independence. He later became their first president. One night, Paul Revere had the very important job of warning people that English soldiers were coming. Because of his courage, the Americans were ready when the soldiers arrived. During the American Revolution, George Washington led the army. People trusted him because they knew he was a good leader. After the war, he became the country's first president. So children, who is the first president of the United States of America? You must remember this, Mr. George Washington. So let's continue with the fast facts. What might have happened if Paul Revere and the others did not give the warning in time? The English soldiers might have won the battle because the Americans would not have been ready to fight. The Declaration of Independence, agreed to on July 4, 1776, declared the colonies a new country. Many people helped America gain its independence. Now let's connect it with our national identity, Qatar National Day. Children, you all know Qatar National Day is celebrated on the 18th of December. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed learning about American independence a little more in detail. I wish you a fantastic day ahead. Bye bye.